smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
Yeah, I'm Clifton Fullerton. I'm calling from the Merrill United Methodist Church in Fort Lauderdale. I'm sending greetings to my family in Jamaica, namely Boyd and Miguel, my sons, Andrea and Kamika, my daughters, grandchildren, Jaden, Kaylee, Lauren, Hunter, Liam, and Lindsay. Also to my church family in Spanish Town, Methodist Church, and the people from Jamaica, my friends in Jamaica. Merry Christmas, Jamaica. One love.
Hi, I am Teresa Broughton from London. I'm sending greetings to all my family in Jamaica, in Manchester, Mandeville, my son in Mandeville, and my cousins in Southeast Manchester, Greenpan. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year and a prosperous life. I remember Christmas when I was a child. They used to bring me to St. Anne's and they let us rehearse all those Christmas songs and we used to sing it and they would give us presents. My mother used to take me to see my grandmother and all the family would be there and they would cook a big pot and everybody would share, who come from Canada, America, everybody. It was like we were united again. And it was beautiful. For me as a child, I remember that. And I enjoy it and it will live with me for the rest of my life. Merry Christmas, Jamaica! May you have a prosperous new year. Lot of prosperity, money and blessing. Yes, and children always remember your school and always remember your mom, what your mom told you, and your grandmother values. And I love the countryside.
Hey, I'm Sandra from Manchester, United Kingdom. I'm sending out greetings to Jamaica, United States, and Canada. To my grandson, Shanair, my son-in-law, Robert, my daughter, Charlene, my brother, Richard, Colton, my brother, Ralph, Mr. All, oh my goodness, Mr. All, Mr. Smelly, oh my God, Hyacinth, and all those in Portmore, St. Catherine, Cheryl, Charmaine, Jamelia, my niece Shanique, my sister Sonia, my sister Rachel. Greetings to the New Testament Church of God, where everybody is a somebody in Portmore, and the Ecclesiastic Church of God. Greetings to Auntie in Spanish Town, Auntie Yvette, Cheryl, Charmaine, Karen, Hyacinth, and Sister McCrae. Oh my God, Mr. McCrae. So many persons. I can't remember every name, but I said greetings to everyone in St. Mary, Portland, and St. Catherine. Oh my goodness, so many persons from the New Testament Church of God. If you don't hear I call your name, I remember you all. So greetings, greetings, greetings from Sandra, from United Kingdom. And remember, Christmas is the reason for celebration. So we are just celebrating and sending greetings across the world. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas for 2025.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with Greetings Across the World. Brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.